No, you're gonna want.
Go ahead, Chris.
What?
Go ahead.
All right. I'm Chris. I'm gonna need 2 fucking habanero peppers. It's like the hottest pepper ever at once, and yeah.
God.
Oh fuck! Hold my hand. Oh fuck!
Swallow it. Swallow it.
That's gonna burn the shit out of you.
Oh my God!
Swallow how it is right now.
Why would anyone put something through that?
There's a bag right there.
Okay. Oh fuck! Okay. Okay. I just need a drool cup. Oh, that's it. Give me something to drink. Oh, that's enough.
Not yet.
Something, Nestea, I don't fucking care, man. I'm drinking some. Fuck you.
There's milk right there.
That's gonna make it worse because you need milk.
You're drinking all.
Don't drink all of her Nestea, she'll kill you.
Okay, that's good. There's milk in
Keep it in your mouth.
Don't drool on my head, man. My lips are still burning.
Holy fuck.
Oh my.
Oh God, don't drink all of her milk either.
Your eyes water?
It's under my tongue.
I hate to see how Zach would take that.
Oh my God, yeah, Chris likes peppers. Zach would die.
Dude, just take a little of the stuff inside and just smear it on your lip.
Oh man. Oh, okay, man.
Dude, it's a bag.
Okay.
It's liquid from everywhere. I want the habanero peppers.
Cute. Coming out of his face.
I don't think I'm gonna puke, but
Keep it there anyway, man.
Is that thing still recording? Because it's unplugged.
It
That's
is.
so cute, bud.
oh fuck,
Is it hot?
it's everywhere.
How many did you eat?
Oh fuck, 2. It's just everything. Okay.
Oh, fuck.
Is his nose running? Is that what that is?
Yes,
Everything.
everything. It's frying. It's snot. And spit.
Zoom in on that.
We should have made him sign a waiver. Yeah, he drank like half of your Nestea and half of our milk.
You want some milk, Chris?
Oh, he drank half of like everything.
Me and Marley are both like,
Oh god.
Oh!
There you go.
There's all that milk.
okay, I just gagged.
I'm done. Fuck off. Give me something else. I gotta fucking pour a glass of something. I won't puke again. That's fucking nasty.
Someone give him like a big